Yeah, all right, mate. Let's look here. Yeah, NULS. I compared it to ADA. Um, I do think it's like ADA. It's one of the stronger charts in the market. When I look at this and I see this chart, it almost gives me the feel of one of the charts that was back before the bull market started. You know, when they were all down in here, and you know this can chart. This is a 3-day chart here. This could build a base. You know, but you have to think on the new year. This is going to be one of the stronger coins. Uh, I may be early calling this at this point, but well, look at the capitulation, or I probably should say breakout volume, in my opinion. But it may just need the base here. You know, you may need time. There may not even be much need to trade it this year. Let's see here. Well, we're red here. You know, we're red here on the weekly. No need to really knife catch this. Is it going to moon this week? No. It's red on the 2 week. Maybe this needs to continue down for the rest of the year, which is another 10 days, 11 days. And well, you can see right here. Look at the support that'll be created right here. You know, any dips down into these areas, you have to be thinking that it's very good for accumulation down here. This should be huge support. There's some whale buying this here, and that should hold up price. To me, it looks like a blueprint for success pattern on a weekly right here. You know, the 3 days almost a, how do you want to call it? It's not even an apex breakout, but this was more compression. We broke out, and you know we broke out of the apex back here. It's just been a long base. I don't think this is done yet. I think we're going to see new all-time highs. You know, obviously it's going to be in the next year, but that is what's that, 3x, and we'll probably go a lot more, right? We'll probably go a lot more. So you know, to be one of the stronger coins out of the charts that are putting in basis, I would say this has got a bright future. Now, if we look here at the BTC pair, well, it's forming what's that, a 3-day apex. Okay, so we're into a 3-day apex here. That's another good bullish signal, that the fact that this could break out. A lot of volume on it here as well. If we look at this, you know, your target, your eventual target, is the red 200 moving average, and maybe above it. So when NULS does finally run, you know, it'll, when this hits target here, when this hits the red 200 moving average, you can sell your USD pair, whatever price that is, because price will then likely drop back off that and come back down and build up in here, whatever way, and then run out again. Now, I'm not saying it's going to be 2023. It's just a rough drawing. It really depends when it breaks up. But overall, this is primed and looks good for longer term accumulation, as it's a weekly chart.